Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can create your ClickBank affiliate account. So before I made some mistake while creating account, so you can see this is my account and you will see there is no any option to I can update my bank details or any another information like how you can generate your product URL and you can going to promote through your YouTube channel or the website or any another way. So I made mistake while creating this account. So I will show you how you can create a right way your ClickBank account. Okay. So now we can start. This is my new window. So there you can type a ClickBank. So this is a keyboard. You can open the first website, ClickBank Affiliate Market, and you can see there is option to you can see affiliate start here. You can click on this and they will ask you some questions. So let's customize your ClickBank experience. I'm a new to all of this and not sure where to start. I want to promote ClickBank product as an affiliate. So I can select number B. Then you can click on sounds good. Okay. Do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate marketer? So yes, I have promoted a ClickBank offers before. Then after which best describe you, I make less than $50,000. Okay. Next one is what type of product do you want to promote? So you can select your category. So I want to promote in health and fitness. And then after you can select the next one is please select all that apply to you. I have email list. I spend over 2K daily media buying advertising. I see over 5K budgets a day from organic search on my website, so I can prefer to select number C. Then after click on next, and the next one is which country are you located? So we are in India. So what is the best factor motivated you to explore affiliate marketing on extra income? Next one is do you currently have traffic or an audience to promote to? Yes, I have a consistent traffic source. Yes. Do you plan on generating traffic? How do you plan on generating traffic? Facebook, paid, search, email, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, website, and blog. Then after select all the ClickBank tools you would be interested in using. So none, page builder, email hosting, none. Then after click on next. Which best describe why you selected none? So I can select. I already have more of these tools. I don't know why these are tools are usually too expensive. Other I have a custom website and YouTube to promote. Then after click on OK, click on OK button. And how did you hear about ClickBank? Google. Click on OK. Then next questions, what email address would you like to use for this account? So you can put your email address, then after click on submit and click on this to watch the video. So you can spend some time on watching this video.
Listen, if you're ready to actually start making money online, then I'm going to need
And then after you can see there is I want to take the challenge. Yes, no. So this is for only to uh, walk through how ClickBank environment work. So you can open the next tab and where you can type again ClickBank and open the first website. And you see there is a login button. You can click on this and then you can create your account. So you can see in the bottom section there is an option create an account here. You can click on this and first you can select your country. So we are in India. Then you can type your first name Ravindra, then last Yadav, and there you can put your mobile number, so +91, and there you can put your email address. Then you guys will choose your password, and once you complete, okay, so they will also ask you to put some uppercase, and then after you can see there is you can click on the continue to terms and conditions. Click on this and you can read this terms and conditions. So how these ClickBank environment works. So what is the terms and condition and the promoting guidelines. So you can spend some time and the scroll 100% at least. You can spend some time to yeah, this one. At least you can spend then this website a backend algorithm will understand, determine you read this website terms and conditions, so you can spend some time. And then after, you can see this checkbox is automatically checked when you click on this button. And then after, you can click on this create account button, and you can see, yeah, what new affiliate are using accelerated to build a funnel and start making sales in just few clicks. The only funnel builder made especially for ClickBank affiliate. Learn more about, no thanks, going to continue to sign up. Click on this. And you can see this is your dashboard, and download suppression list and accept. So you can see our account is created, and you can wait a couple of time. Okay, then you are able to see your all details here. Complete my profile. So first, you guys will, once you create your ClickBank account, so you can see you can found that kind of interface. So you can first we need to complete our profile. So you can click on this complete my profile, and make sure to you can select an individual, and there you can put your address, and there you can put and you can select your region. So we are in Delhi, city is New Delhi. And then you can put there a zip code, and you can select your date of birth, so 0507, and you can click on the save button once you verify your profile details. So you can see we updated all the things, and you can see when I updated my profile, you can see there a lot of things are opened. My account, users, affiliate marketplace, education, integrations, tickets, transactions, reports. So you can see all other details are visible. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your affiliate, a ClickBank affiliate account the right way. Okay, so I guess you guys got the idea, and what I made mistake on my previous account, and you can see in front of you I created account and everything is are unlocked. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so you can provide me social details over the description section, so where you guys will connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, so please, it's a humble request. So you guys will hit subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.